Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene, and today I have some jewelry I want to modify. Today is my husband's military ball and the ladies get all dazzled up. So this is the unit, well, his past unit that he used to be a part of, and it was the pin. Whoops, it came like this. It's meant to be worn on like suits and, you know, purses or whatever you want to put it on. And that's how it comes. It comes plain. So this is his current unit. This is the unit crest for his battalion. And this was his old unit that I took a pin and added it to a brooch that I got from Walmart. So you can see it came with a clip and a pin, like safety pin type, already attached. It came like that. So in the center of this pin, it used to be a gem, like a gem, one of those fake diamonds, whatever. I liked it because it was big, and then the crest could fit right in the middle. And I just used E6000 on this thing, and it was boom, ready to go. And I wore this on my formal dress. So today I want to use the same brooch, but I'm going to attempt to remove the old crest, and hopefully I don't break the brooch because it's really soft. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just using a few basic tools. I have a wire cutter, a long nose, and a flathead long nose. I don't know the real names for it, but yeah, so I have these, and I got the E6000 that I hauled a few weeks ago, and that is what we're going to work on today. So I hope it comes off easy. I don't want to ruin the pin either, so, and if I can't get it to go, then I might have to, oh, here it comes. E6000 holds really well for as long as you want it to hold, but coming apart, guys. I'm just pulling it and it's coming off clean. Look at that. Can you see that? Just like that. And it was E6000, so there it is. I did it. And you see there were some little, like 5 little holes there. It used to have gems on that, and then on the center part it was a bigger gem, and I just took it away, you know. And I think this brooch was only $3–4 maybe at the most. So yeah, E6000 is good, but once you want to move it, you really want to move it. There, so that, see that? And it used to have a pin backing, a post. It used to be like that, sharp pin, and I just snipped it away. And now I just got to clean this off and get all this extra glue off of here.
Actually, maybe I should just leave it because these are riveted. I don't know. It's a really easy project, and you don't only have to use this for your military stuff. You can change it out and put a different gem in the middle if you want, or whatever. But like I said, I did this several years ago, and I just put it away. I didn't really have another pin. I actually wanted to keep it like this, but now that it comes off so easily, I might just do the same for the next unit he does too. You know, that's the sad thing about being in the military, a military soldier. You're not in one unit for your whole career. You know, you gotta move around. Okay, I think that's as far. Oh, there you go. Now it comes out.
Alright, so now I'm going to put that aside, this cleaned up a little bit. I want to work on the new pin. So this is a little bigger than the old one. I don't know if I want to remove that pin, but actually, maybe I could just leave it. So I want to make sure it's lined up right. So you have your pin going this way. You want to make sure your pin's not all sideways. So line it up so that this and this can be straight. I think I'm going to leave the post. Haven't even opened this tool up yet. And this P6000, like I said, I hauled it previously. It was from Walmart, and it's specifically for jewelry making, so that you know you have the tips. I believe this is the cap. So let's get some scrap paper. Actually, let me just move this stuff out of the way. Had a nice little placemat here, but I don't want to get glue on it. This is the Dollar Tree placemat. Pretty. So let's just go with our scrap paper here. There we go. Okay, put this on, and there's a hole there, and we're going to, this attaches to the cap. Alright. And here we go. The last time I did this, it was the big tube. I didn't have this fine tip. So I hope it works out. I hope. The other thing, it's so hard to control the big tube. Wow, that's super lucky with it coming off like the way it did. So put that the right way so I can center coming out. There it is. Had to build it up. Okay. Yep. So our ball is tonight, and my husband finally brought me a pin. His unit pin. And I was like, oh, now I can make my pin. I think that's enough glue. And I'm just going to clean it up and make sure it's straight, and then we just gotta leave it alone. So, isn't that pretty? Everything's touching, and it looks pretty centered, and there it is. And there you go. So I just have to let it dry, let that glue do its thing, and isn't it pretty? It's a lot prettier than just sticking that pin on your wherever you're going to put it. I think this time I'm putting this pin on my purse, on my handbag, because my dress that I'm wearing, that I'll be wearing, will not be strong enough. It's not as strong. So now I'll just remove my tip, clean this up a little bit, and then get this cap on here. And of course the E6000, it just wants to keep on coming. Okay, and there's the cap. All right, just put that away for a while. And put that back. So yeah guys, thanks for joining me. It was a really short, quick DIY, and there you go. Easy modified brooch, just how you want to use it. So thanks for joining me, and if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you'd like to subscribe and join our family. And I do a whole bunch of crafts and, you know, different stuff. I just like to share what I make. So whether it be crafts, paper, sewing, food, here it is. So see you guys on the next video. Thanks. Bye.